Today, we're going to talk about the basic tools and equipment that every gardener should have. Gardening can be a lot of fun, but it can also be hard work. Having the right tools and equipment can make the job a lot easier. A trowel is a must-have tool for any gardener. It's a small hand shovel that is great for digging holes for planting, as well as for weeding and transplanting. Another essential tool is a pair of pruners. These are used to trim and shape plants, and can also be used to remove dead or diseased branches. A rake is also a valuable tool for keeping your garden clean and tidy. It's great for raking leaves, debris, and other debris from your garden beds. A wheelbarrow is another important tool for moving soil, compost, and other materials around your garden. It can save you a lot of time and effort, and make your work more efficient. By having these basic tools and equipment, you'll be able to tackle most gardening tasks with ease, and make your gardening experience more enjoyable. Check the link below to start your journey to a beautiful and bountiful garden. Happy gardening!